island. Kaholo 2, 3, 4. Kaholo 2, 3, 4. Up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. High and turn 2, 3, 4. Figure 8. Flower 2, 3, 4. Stop. We're going to change this impale. We're going to roll it this way. Impale 2, 3, 4. Love 2, 3, 4. Figure 8. Back 2, 3, 4. Back 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and pow. Right?
So it's just a roll.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just a roll. It's a roll. What?
Can you do that again? I didn't see it.
Okay, ready? Ready? 5, 6, 7. We started from her island. 5, 6, 7, 8. Open 2, 3, 4. Open 2, 3, 4. The one hand takes 2 kaholo. High and turn left. Turn 2 to a figure 8. Figure flowers. 1, 2, 3. Roll it into you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll your love and a figure 8. Back on the right. Back on the left, and 1 and 2 and pow. Better? Josh. Over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step back. On this island, right hand. Right 2, 3, 4. The left 2, 3, 4. Up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. High. Turn. On your hip. Flowers. 1, 2, 3. Roll it in. Into. Now roll it out. Figure 8. Tap. And 1 and 1. Loving under the waterfall. Last week we started from here. We're going to roll it and take it out. And then, there's 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. Turn 2, 3, 4. Wait. Here and a figure 8. So take on the turn. Good question.
You said ear.
Wasn't your daycare? You got to remember, guys. I'm getting old. Turn. Turn 2, 3, 4. Who leave this hand? Leave it there. On you. There you go. Okay. The new. Roll it.